think we are live in 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right. Cool. I think we're live. There we go. Nice. All right. Let me do this. Whoop. Right here. Hey, there we go. What is up, you guys? It's your boy Eagle Wings here. Um, as you can see over here. Oh, sorry, that was a little loud. Got a new mic. Went ahead and just switched to the quadcast instead of the solo cast. I think I mentioned that in the comments of my last video or description. Sorry. I'm gonna return the solo cast a little later when I get a chance. But hopefully you guys like this sound. I think it sounds pretty good. I don't even have to talk right into the mic. And yeah, no new camera though. Hopefully the camera looks pretty good. But yeah. Let's switch over to boy with the chat. Boom. There we go, baby. That's funny. Um, that's funny. My #1 viewer. Um, so let's see. So what I tried doing with this mod was, see if give it a few seconds. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I want my dad on the live stream. uh all right, anyway. So I'm working on a few things that I'm not going to show here just yet. There is one thing though I do want to show. Um, I was trying to make. Oh, okay. He said he's out. Okay. uh, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my camera for now because I'm thinking it's gonna start lagging a little. So let's go ahead and do that. Self cam off. There we go. Cool. So, and sorry, I'm getting a message. There we go. Sorry, just responding to that. So, anywho, what I was saying was, let me get the chat back up and let me get, there we go. Cool. So, what I was saying was, one of the things I was working on in this mod was vertical redstone, and you're probably thinking, what do you mean by that? Well, yeah, and it's been a while since I've done this, so just give me a few seconds to kind of recap what's been going on. So, for those of you who have not been paying attention, I moved like a couple weeks ago now at this point, and I've just been moving everything in. I've got a whole new setup now. I've got new mic now, little mic stand thing. It's kind of cool. And all my lights are mostly up now. I've got a couple more lights to put up, but yeah, I think that sounds good. Okay, cool. Just make sure that sounds good. So I'm working on a bunch of new small different features, and I'm not done yet. I really just wanted to show as I'm working on the lightning rod thing that I'm doing, which I'll explain in just a second, because I'm going to be modeling it, and tell you what I mean with that in a second. So basically, one of the things I really wanted to add was something I hinted at a while back with the ether lever. And the ether lever, for those of you who don't know, who may be watching this for the first time, is one of the items in my mod. And right now it's just used for activation of the final step to activating the end. But what it's supposed to do as well is I want it to try to, it's kind of hard to explain without showing. Let's see if I can't show it here. So basically, here's the ether lever. It's made from blaze rod, the echo shard, and the wither skull. And when you flip it on, I've made it to where it powers lightning rods. Now, the only problem though, and this is really cool because I've figured out a way to make it 15 long and then it stops. The only problem with lightning rods is I can't figure out how to give it a power property and then make it use that property kind of like redstone does. Because right now redstone is its own block, and when you break redstone, for example, I don't know what it means by that. It should be excellent streaming quality. Let's see. Stream health. Poor. What do you mean? What do you mean my streaming health is poor? I don't understand. What? Sorry, I'm looking at my YouTube is... I got new internet. What do you mean you're not getting enough video? Are you crazy? Alright, anyway, well, we're gonna ignore that. I'm gonna go back to explaining this. So, what I wanted to do was make it where lightning rods could be powered by this, and I did a little trick with copper blocks, and I mainly wired it all in the ether lever right now. The only problem is if you break it, for example, that, nothing happens, and it's still power, which is not good. And then when you do that, it does not power, and there's probably some ways I can kind of do that, but then I'd have to change the entire lightning rod block, and it's a mess. It's just too tricky to do right now. So I'm going to make a whole new block made from the lightning rod that will act the same as a lightning rod, except be more like copper wire. And that was kind of the idea behind this little mini feature. This isn't, to clarify, and I'll clarify this whenever the update comes out, from what I'm trying to do, this isn't necessarily a requirement in the mod at all. It's just kind of an extra feature I wanted to add to the... Sorry. It was just a kind of an extra feature I wanted to add to the mod, so to speak. But, yeah. So, I'm going to have to rework this entire thing. But first I want to make sure I can make the model of this look good. So I have to find this model, get the texture, and basically also give it the same properties as both a lightning rod and redstone, which is going to be kind of tricky. I don't know how I'm going to do it, honestly. I don't even know if that's how I want to do it. If I can't do it that way, then I'm just going to, I don't know, keep trying to get the because I'll show you. Yeah, I have these mix-ins right here. I've commented out for now so that they wouldn't break the game, because I tried doing a bunch of stuff with it and I'm just blanking because I can't create custom methods and then call them as if it's from the lightning rod block, because here's the lightning rod block code, right? And that has its own set methods. Now I can overwrite parts of these methods, but I can't create new ones to my knowledge. Now if somebody in the chat that joins later or watches this video later knows how to create methods for a block and then have it behave like that and call those said methods off of that object, that would be cool. But from what I've figured out so far, I could not figure out how to do that. So I'm just kind of tossing the mix-in idea away for now, and I'm going to try to do it a different way. So in this lever block, not lever block, where is it? The ether lever. Here it is. So in the ether lever, we have a few methods I made, and I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but basically, the way I made it is it powers lightning rods, basically, and then it looks for adjacent positions of lightning rods, and then it powers those, and then it gives them a power level that's passed through starting at 15, or I think, let me see, where is it? I mean, it's a good idea, and it works in the sense of the lightning rods get power, but as soon as you break that connection, it doesn't break it for the rest. And the problem is I can't make it solely dependent on the ether lever. I mean, I could try, but again, Like, what happens if it gets moved? Like, there's so many checks I would have to do. It'd just be easier to make a whole new block, honestly, and just have its own properties. That, but it has to be able to inherit both lightning rod properties and redstone properties, I think. So let's just try making the model and see what comes from that. So I don't know if this picks up the typing. I assume it does. Um, um, sorry. Ah, man, I haven't done this in a hot minute. I don't know why it's saying my stream quality's poor when I have Ethernet and everything. I don't know. It's really weird. Well, oh well. I'm not gonna complain about it. Um, where is my live stream chat? There it is. There's chat. I'm gonna go ahead and hide the chat from the live stream for now as well. There we go. So yeah, so now you can just see the code. So what I'm gonna do is let's find the lightning rod model. Oh, that's not it. Is it? Lightning rod? What? Did I spell it wrong? Yeah, I did. Oh my gosh, why can't I type a rod? Here we go. So there's several these. So this is the model. Um, powered true, powered false. Interesting. So okay, so lightning rod on. So those are the two JSONs we want. We want lightning rod and lightning rod on. This is the copper ingot. Is this a recipe? So copper ingot. Um, requirements. Oh, is this an achievement? What is this? I don't know what that is. What is this? Hmm. Here we go. So here's the block texture. Uh, lightning rod on, particle lightning rod on. So, all right. So we have to find. So here's the texture. It's gonna be similar, I think, but the difference is it'll be. Uh, sorry, just put my chat back up. The difference is it will be. I kind of have its own. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. My thought was, what if I combine iron and copper together, maybe, and have like iron ends on it? Like it takes two iron and one copper lightning rod to make copper wire or copper rod or something. I don't know. Something like that would be useful. Okay. Let's see. Block. Do. Here we go. Oh, what? Okay. Huh. Just a white block. Interesting. Uh, okay. There's the... That's really all you do? Okay, wow. So, I guess that makes sense. Yeah, this is the bottom, this is the sides, and this is the... I guess they mirror the texture on every side. Let me see. Oh, now my connection says excellent. That's good. That's good. All right, let's see. Let me take a look, figure out what they're doing. I could like open it up in Blockbench, which is probably what I'm gonna have to do. So let's turn time set day. There we go. So yeah, they literally just copied the texture on every side. So we're gonna take this texture and modify it. I think is what we're gonna do. Let's see. So yeah, that's probably what we're gonna do. And I don't know if we're gonna use this top texture or not. And it looks like they did. Yeah, they made it very simple. And then with the white one, they just made it a white block, very kind of lazily almost. I don't know, but we don't have to go all crazy. We just take this texture and then just modify the block itself. Give it the same hitbox, I guess, or what do you want to call it? The whatever you call this box, but give it a slightly different model. But then the other thing is we want it to connect vertically. So if I don't know. There's different ways to do this. You could do the Rails way kind of way of doing it, where you have it what like for example, if you have the block here and you place a block here, that's we want this to we can either make it bend together, or we can make it just connect and have like a middle piece. Like, doesn't have to be a joint necessarily, but I think the joint would be useful, I guess. I don't know. Um, there we go. All right. But I don't know how we do that logic yet. I haven't thought that through. So, yeah, it's very straightforward. So let's do that. So let's take this lightning rod and lightning rod. Not that one. Let's do that. So lightning rod image and then lightning rod let's do this. I don't know which one's which. That's the pattern to build it. Copper ingots, 3 copper ingots. Is that what it is? All right, so we'll do something similar. That's the recipe. All right, what about the here? That's the facing. We don't want that. What about this one? Here we go. So this is what we'll do. Block bench. Block bench. Alright. Let's do a new great new. Let's call this copper wire. Copper wire? I don't know. Yeah, copper wire. We'll do that. We'll do copper wire. And yeah, we'll do what's the texture size of this guy? Yeah, 16 by 16. Okay. Confirm. Alright, so let's go into let's just save this as both. There we go. Well, let's do copper wire. Let's do that and then save this here. No. And then this will go here. There we go. That's interesting. That's a new feature. All right, so let's go in here. We gotta find that folder, I think. Da, 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 da. There we go. I'm trying to think where Blockbench would be. I think. Oh, I know. Hang on. Let's do. this one? Here we go. Found you. Alright. So this is the file. Okay, and then here is the JSON. Where'd you go? Lightning rod. Let's do just get rid of parent. I don't care about parent. What? Oh, okay. Don't worry about that. Just copy this bad boy. Copy. Let's do. Boom. Alright, so. Let's see. What did I do for the other ones? I called it, okay. Alright, so if I go here and I do textures, like that, right? Is that what I did? Yeah. And then in here, I'll take this guy, open in, what? That's not what I want. Hmm. No. Why can't how do I open up this file? Wait, oh, what's this? Hmm. I've done this before. I'm trying to think of where it would be. Uh, is this it? Well, this is a zip. Hmm. Um, I don't know if you hear Charlie snoring in the background. That's so funny. Let's do textures, blocks, lightning rod. There we go. Boom. Boom. Yeah, there it is. All right. So, all right. And now we go here. We do that, and then we do, and then we do that, and then we. Position 34. What is wrong with it? Get rid of this, I guess. There we go. And now we do, there it is. So now, and this is the model. Sick. All right. So let's do this. Let us do this. I don't know how loud this is. Let me see. All right. Interesting. Let's back you up then. How's that sound? Does that sound better? How's that sound? Sounds perfect. All right, cool. So what we'll do is we'll delete you. So no texture there. Alright, interesting. Let's go to paint. Wait, oh, where's up? Why is, there we go. It's enabled. Interesting. So let's go to up. That's not what I said. I said up. Blank. There we go. And now we say up. Oh my god, what? What are you? Where's up? Is that up? That is up. Oh my gosh. What the heck? I see what they did here. So they made it like 0, 0. Okay, that's cool. So we'll do that. Alright, so that is the copper wire so far. Now we need to give it a new metal. What about the bottom? Is bottom? Yeah, bottom's fine. Alright, so that's fine. Now we need like an iron. I mean, this isn't really that hard. I'm just trying to think. For like a generic. Yeah, I don't see the problem with adding a cube. Let's do this. Oh, no. What's the key again? W? No. Is it Q? No. E? No. Edit. Rotate. That's not it. No. V? I don't remember. What does the transform resize S? Ah, I see now. Boom. 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 Alright, then we do one more. Okay, there it is. That's what it was. I don't know why keys are so unintuitive. So there's that, and then we do this, and we do... Boom. And then we do... Boom. And then we do... Yeah, we'll bring that down. Bring that up. And then we'll take this top part, and we'll do 1 to point 1. Boom. I think that doesn't look terrible. Okay, I completely misread his message. Oh well, no biggie. Let's do this. So I don't know what that means. All right, so there's that piece, and then we copy it, paste it What? What's going on? Here we go. Interesting. Okay, so let's zoom in. And then we do this, and then we do this right here. So this is, sorry. There we go. And then the same width. And then it almost looks like a dumbbell. But it won't once it's I think that looks okay. So we need like metal, like the iron texture. Let's do, oh yeah, we can also do some other things. So let's do iron. What we got? Iron block, iron bars. Whoa, what is this gonna look like? Not what we're really looking for. Deep slate iron ore. No, iron ore. Iron block. What about that? No, not what we're looking for. Iron button? No, door. Uh, hmm. Uh, there's, oh yeah, there's not an iron button. What am I saying? Hmm. Iron trapdoor. Doesn't have as much texture as raw iron block. Oh, that looks interesting. That's not what I want. What about iron ore? No. Wait, why does that look like the old texture? Is that the old texture? No, that's the new texture. Okay. Just didn't look like it. Let's see. So, hmm. Oh, do. Yeah, I don't know. Hmm. We might just take like the bottom door texture maybe and just kind of mix it around. Let me see, because there's not much options. Let's do this. Import texture. Let's do paint. All right, so let's oh, let's call this iron ends. Yeah, there we go. All right, so this is 16 by 16. Let's do this. Let's do it. What? Let's do this. Yes. There we go. So we don't need much because this is a small square. So I don't think we actually need this block anymore. Or sorry, this texture. Let's do this. So now that we have these cubes, let's just do one of the cubes. Let's do create texture plus iron ends. Confirm, and then we're gonna rename this light rod. That's fine. Well, what just happened? iron and yeah. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Whoa. Firm. Oh wait. Oh, we didn't select the element. Whoopsies. No. Create texture. Iron. And there we go. I think we can just drag this texture onto this guy as well. Oh, not that one. This one right here. Oh. Here we go. Boom. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay. Maybe not. Okay, let's do both of these cubes. Not that cube. Go up here. There we go. Boom. Yeah. And then we do new texture. We call it iron end. And call it iron end. Again. There we go. All right. And I don't. Whatever. Not a big deal. We just. Let's drag this one top of this guy. Where's this guy? So east, south is there. South is gonna be here for this guy too. I just want them all to have the same exact textures. So then this one has east, north is down there. So north should be down here. West. Whoa. All right, there we go. West blue. Up is there. Up will be. And then down is here, so down will be here. All right, now paint. Down is down, up is here, so. And then, wish I had some music, but copyright when. No big deal though. Every time I've done lo-fi, it always, like, I love the lo-fi, but it doesn't end well for copyright, but that's okay. I just hope the fan in the background is not picking up too badly. Yeah, it looks good. There it is. That's all the textures. All right, so now we have the All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We've got these textures for iron. Boom. Let's do. Oh. Why are these so dark? Or am I crazy? There we go. I don't know. I don't. Also, that's fine. Yeah, I didn't really announce this. Yeah, some reason my. I don't know. I'm thinking out loud. Sorry. There's that, and then. And I'm probably just gonna copy that to the other side because it's kind of what or to every other side too. Problem is though now the texture on this side is not the same width, apparently. Is that what I'm getting at? Or, no, the texture is not the same width. Yes, the texture is not the same width, but the block is. Ironically enough. I don't know why. Okay. Wild. Huh. So, I want to say that's okay, but let's do like... No, that's too dark. Let's do like maybe a darker color. Yeah, there we go. Maybe a darker color there. Maybe like... No, that's too dark. Let's do like that. There we go. That looks good. Now let's copy. Let's do this. Boom. And now that should be on the other side. Yep. And then the top and bottom will worry about last. Here we can do this and do... Oh, that's so wanky. Okay. Janky, janky indeed. Well, you know what we could do? I have an idea. So let's do this. Yes, sir. Alright, so south and north. Give them the same. Oop, south, north. Oh, I gotta get both souths. Oh wait, I have both cubes selected. Well, that won't do. But south will go here. Actually, why don't I just move all of them up here? North, west. So north, east, south, west. So both cubes should have all the textures there. There we go. Now we can just erase that texture. Yeah. Oh wait. Oh, that's not what I'm gonna do. There we go. And then, oh yeah, we can also do that too. Nice. So now we're just gonna do this as well, because what we're gonna do is up. For this one is gonna be, yeah, down is gonna be up here, up. And then for the other cube, it's gonna be down. It's gonna be up here. There we go. Up. And now both cubes should have up and down here. There we go. And now if we go to paint, we do... Yeah, we already erased it. Cool. So there we go. Same texture simplifies a lot of things, I think. There we go. So now let's do this. I think the same texture for both should be fine. Let's do like a... Oh, not that. Let's do like... This, oh, let's do this for now. And then let's do... I don't want to mix like... Nah, it's too like, I don't know. Let's make it a little bit bigger maybe. Yeah, let's do that. There we go. Paint. Alright, so let's do this texture. Oh. Let's do this color here so we can figure out how big this texture is now. There we go. So now we can do this. Kind of, I think. And then, oh, okay. So down needs to be kind of moved too. So edit, let's do down. We'll do this for both of them, yeah. There we go. Alright, so down. Oh, dude, that could be good, but let's do... Ooh, you know what? Hold on. I mean, it kind of looks like it's textureless, so hang on, let's fix that. Like the the iron is... not that iron. Oh wait, I could just do it on here. No, we want it to look kind of irony, if that makes any sense. I kind of like that. I don't know. I know nobody's watching, but I don't know about you, but I think that looks not too shabby. And you can kind of see, hold on, let's fix this. How do I fix this? Or maybe you won't see it. I don't know. It looks like when you angle it this way and like move it around it fast, it bleeds through, but I think it'll be fine. So there's that. So you take iron block, and let's do that. Iron and PNG. Yeah, there we go. Dude, that's actually kind of cool. So let's go back to textures. Let's get rid of the iron door bottom. Get rid of that. There we go. So there's that. Copper wire. That looks actually kind of cool. So there's our block. Sick. So we just saved copper wire JSON. And that's exactly what we need. File, save model, or save project as well. Whoa. Yes, just save it just in case. Then we save again. Oh wait, there we go. Cool. Just had to, I just doing that just because, just to be safe. So now that we have that done, I think that looks pretty good. It's not perfect necessarily, but it's good. And maybe we'll change it. The only thing is now we'll have to figure out how to do, we'll do one thing at a time. Let's do one thing at a time. So I'm trying to think future, but, and then also like what it's going to look like when it's on. We'll keep that up for now. Yes. This is copper wire now. So, alright. We'll fix this. So, get rid of this. Where are we? So let's ignore these, ether lever, all that. So what we want to do is make a block, custom block. We want to call it, what do you want to call it? What do we want to call it? We want to call it the copper wire. We want to make it inherit redstone, maybe? Let me see. Redstone. Redstone dust. Let's do redstone dust stop. No, that's the PNG, sorry. There is a thing class we have to inherit. Redstone block, redstone ore block, redstone wire block. Here we go. So redstone wire block, what is it inherit? What can we take? Inherit sense block. Okay. So here's the thing. East, north, south, up and down. Okay. There's a wire connection. It has direction to wire property. This is a very complicated class. So it's either that or a lightning rod, which I don't think makes sense to do. Oh boy. Oh, this is getting complicated. Okay. So we don't need the dot shape. I wish I had music too. That would help me focus. Get state of place. So this has only 4 directions. The problem is there's only 4 directions with redstone. We need up and down, obviously. So, and the rotation's gonna be interesting too. So, wire state. It's a direction type horizontal. Interesting. So, it sounds like you could do horizontal or vertical, but not really. Direction down, direction up. I don't know. It's neighbor. There's a lot of methods. Is fully connected, is not connected. See, like these things could southeast, west, north, and then we would have to add up and down. And over. Well, these are all private methods, but we could make them again publicly, maybe. And then we have. I'm doing like, I'm going above and beyond just for this update. It's kind of ridiculous. Wire connection. These are all private methods except can place at. I don't know what I mean, without looking through all these methods, I don't know what they all do. But, and I have not figured out what these do. But this is also in the copper wire. Emits redstone, power, and then wire color. We don't need to worry about that. I just don't know if it's a good idea. Let's do it though. Let's do it. It's not a good idea, but let's do it. So the first step we need to do is go to items. It's going to be let's copy paste. All right, and this is going to be an item called copper wire, and then artifacts max count. There's not a max count. All right, new, not a dragon fossil, new redstone wire block, I think is what we decided on. Yes, new redstone wire block. Oh, wait, no. New block. Let's do new block for now. Block. Hang on a second. What are we missing? Alright, settings. Fabric settings. Oh, new mod block. Let's do that. This is a mod item. New mod items. Loop. It's not mod items. I don't remember how you. Oh, new item. I don't remember. Well, we're not gonna be. It's not gonna be an item forever. So. Well, for now, it'll be an item. It's going to be created custom. These are the blocks. Oh, shoot. This is not a custom item. Shoot. This is a block. I'm so dumb. Okay. My blocks. Sorry. I don't know. I don't know where it left off. Sorry. Mob blocks. This is a mob block. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, just let's do this. Register block, new. Okay, all these. Okay. Custom block is gonna have a custom block class. Shari. Alright, we're gonna make it this for now, and we'll replace it in a second. Block, sorry, block. Alright. And now we're going to make a new custom block. Call it copper wire. And then you do that. The thingy right there. Interesting. Block with entity implements block provider. Block entity provider. Oh, okay. So I wonder what I can do. Extends. Let's do this. Extends redstone wire block. What if it implements copper or lightning rod? Whoa, what? Oh, can we do that? What? What does it mean? Interface expected here. Am I dumb? I'm probably dumb. Hold on. Is there another block I can look at? No. Alright, so let's just get rid of that for now. Yes, create the constructor. Copper wire does its thing. And then we go to mod blocks and we call it a copper wire. Cool. Beans. Alright, that's copper wire. Copper wire. There's the block. We don't have we don't have any of the other stuff for it yet, but for now we'll use that. Copper wire. We're gonna not delete these yet. Oh, there goes my phone. Hope you like that ringtone. Alright, cool. Do 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 do. Let's see. Cool. Alright, so oh, didn't mean to do that. There we go. Alright, so there's the copper wire block. Where was I? Yes. Copper wire. Alright, we gotta do a few things with this block now. And it's been so long that I've almost forgotten at this point. So block states, we gotta do the lang, we've gotta do the model, and the texture blocks. Yes, that stuff. Ah, man, it's not items. So yeah, here I did some things. Not gonna show too much of it, but I added some stuff that I'll talk about later. So the dragon pedestal, yeah, I did some stuff with. Let's do block state variant. Yeah, it's gonna have some variants. Hmm. So I don't, yeah. So right now it's probably just gonna stand up straight when you place it, which is fine for now. Hmm. Up and down would be the same. Yeah, up and down will have the same texture, like direction. You don't have to flip-flop it necessarily. Um, Left and right, same thing, like west and east. So technically, there's only three potential directions that it'll have: up, down, left, right, and forward, backward. So north, south, east, west, and up, down. So we just have to make sure that they are the same. I guess. So let's do this. So we need the block states. We need the block model in here. Yeah, we added a new. We'll talk about that later. Just gonna, for now, focus on the objective, the mission. The mission is get this in here. So do that. Or paste. There it is. All right. So, and then we need the textures. Boom. And then we need to put them in, where do they go? Here. Yes. Okay. Lightning rod. And iron end. Looks pretty cool. Alright. Cool. Now we need to make sure that these are named correctly and take this, copy this here, go here, and oh, did we copy everything? That's, yeah, that should be good. Alright, we do this, locks, yeah, and we'll do what is this? Why is there a texture and a 1? Interesting. What does that mean? We could probably get rid of that, I think. I don't know. Let's get rid of it for now. Oh, wait. Oh, there's 2. Oh, it needs to be number 2. Hang on. This, okay, I see. So, let's do this. Control F. So find hashtag texture. Oh, I can't spell texture. Yuri, replace it with hashtag number 2. There we go. And then this one will be 2. And then we'll take this. Take this. Boom. Let's get rid of this guy. Take this guy. Boom. Move this guy. Do a little magic here, and then let's do that. Let's get rid of that. Boom. There we go. Particle will be lightning rod. That's fine. So, oh, what's up, concurrent viewer that I didn't see? I'm so sorry. Alright, so there's the block model done, I think. So we didn't do any of that, so don't worry about that. That's not as well, maybe it's important, but not really. Not right now. All we need to do is make sure it has the right block states and everything. So, oh boy. Shoot, hang on. There's gotta be a block model that represents this properly. Oh, what am I saying? Of course there is. The lightning rod. Where is it? I had it. This is not it. But that was what I was looking for before. It's not it. That's not it either, but we'll keep you open for a second. Here we are. So we have variants. Down, powered. For now, I would say, okay, yes. Here we are. So the lightning, I have no idea. We're going to probably have to change the model to whatever the lightning rod's default is, which, oh shoot, I wasn't paying attention. Oh wait, yeah, the default was down. Yes, default is down. Yes, okay, I think I remember correctly. I wasn't really paying attention, but I think I was kind of paying attention. This is the block state. So let's take this. Oh, no. Control click. Let's call it copper wire. Boom. Take this. Boom. And then we'll say facing down, powered false. And instead of this, we're going to call it copper wire. And, oh, that's not how you spell wire. And then we're going to take this guy here. Boom, 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 For now, we don't have a powered on state necessarily, which is fine. Yeah, the thing is we have a powered state, I believe, in Redstone block, but we aren't using it yet, so that shouldn't be a problem. Let me think. Redstone. Redstone wire block. Powered. Hold on. Oh, there's not a powered state. There's just a power state, which is an int property. So we can make our own powered state that we have to. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. How about for now, we get rid of that powered state until we've decided what that's gonna look like. So let's just do. Let's do. Just get rid of that. Let's get rid of all the ones that say true, basically, and then get rid of. We'll make them back in a second. I just want to make sure the block looks correct. There we go. All right, so now let's do this. Oh, facing east, north, south, up, west. Facing down. Oh, okay. That's fine. Down. And then facing. So I think we need the facing property first. I don't know if redstone wire has a facing property. Boom. There we go. West, east. Let's move some of these. There we go. Do that up, and then let's move down. Funny enough. Let's move it down. Boom. Boom. I took off this piece. Oops. There we go. Haha, look at that. Boom. Yeah, you're gonzos. Gonzo bonzos. There we go. So east, west, north, south, up, and down. So north. Yeah, we probably don't need all X. Y probably does not need to be 180. I'm going to go and take a gander. West and east. So Y can be 90 here, I think, too. I don't think up and down is going to make a lick of difference. Because they're the exact same texture. But maybe we'll see. So there's the variance. So we have block states. We need our lang. US. We need our block, which is going to be. We're gonna do this. Blocks. Block ancient artifacts. Dot copper wire. Then we're gonna do that, and then we'll call it copper wire, and then we don't need any like color on the item. I don't think that's a big deal. I need to translate now this into Spanish and Arabic. So give me 1 second to do that. Whoop. All right. So ChatGPT. Let's do it. Let's do it. Translate this into Spanish. Because if you didn't know, I can't spell Spanish. Or no, it's just complaining. Okay. And Arabic. I made this mod in Spanish and Arabic as well now. There we go. So Spanish should be that. Bada bing, bada boom. And in Arabic, we'll just copy that in a second. So let's copy this over here. Go to Spanish. If you ever want to do this for a mod, by the way, this is how you do it. I mean, it's not necessarily how you have to do it, but this is how I'm doing it. I take ChatGPT. Usually I copy the whole thing and then I have it translated. That's what I did before. And then I need to. Okay, I need to move this down. There we go. And then I don't. There's hide notification away. And then what I do is I copy the Arabic. And I did this because I have some friends who speak Arabic, and I also have, I think, some viewers who may speak Arabic. So shout out to you guys. So there's those things. Boom, boom. All right, and then hide that, put that away, and now, so that's the language. Models, the block textures, the block state, or where it's facing, and the block class. I don't know. The only thing I think we need to do is actually make the facing thing, like facing east, west, up, and down. So the facing up is probably gonna be the default. Let's see. So, oh, hang on. Redstone wire block does not have a facing direction. It has a wire connection. Wire connection north, south, east, and west, which is fine. I think we just want these power abilities because, yeah, you know, I don't think I need to explain too much, but for those of you who I do need to explain it for, I might need to make the properties, the Boolean property, or the facing property, directional facing property, which I can actually copy from one of these bad boys right here. Here we go. This is not a horizontal facing block, though. That's the thing. Copper wire facing equals I don't think I'm actually using this. So just don't worry about that. What about this guy? So these are all horizontal facing blocks. Okay, so what can I do? Okay, what was I gonna do? Lightning rod. Let's go back to the lightning rod. Where'd you go? You've got a facing property, right? No? How do you know which way you're facing then, buddy? How do you know with facing direction up? What? Is facing just default? Because you're a... What are you? A rod block. Rod block is a facing block. Facing block. Oh. Properties facing. Can I copy that? I think I can. I don't see why I can't. No. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then we need to set it to be this dot set default state. This dot set default state with what is it? Lightning rod. Let's just copy this whole thing. I don't think we care about water log, but okay. So with facing with facing equals down with Yeah, let's get rid of these for now. What? What do you not like? Okay, that's that. Okay, there we go. So do I need all these? Remove redundant. Yes, remove, and remove. Yeah, I don't think I need that. So there's that. Okay, so facing down. I don't remember. Is there another method I'm missing? Outline. Oh, voxel shape. Yeah, forgot about that. Does the lightning rod have a voxel shape? I would think so. Right? Hmm. I don't know. It doesn't seem to. I think. What is the voxel shape by default? Okay. Well, we'll just Okay. I don't know. Let's do this. Let's take these because we probably need these. Emits. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do this. I just want to be able to place the block in the world first and foremost. And we'll do this. Whoops. Facing. What else is the minimum requirement for a block? I feel like the voxel shape is important, but rotate and mirror, all those things. Let's copy those things. I don't know. Why not? I think we need them. Yeah. Properties. This is creating the voxel cuboid. Okay. Alright. I think, what is what's wrong? Oh, we're missing the override. There we go. Cool. Alright, that should be good. Can we build this? That is the question. Are we gonna break this game by placing this block in this world? We shall see. I don't know. I think we've done everything. Probably not, though. We never do everything right the first time. So let's see. How is this gonna break the game? Sorry if that bothers you, though. By the way, if you're watching this post. Oh. Game. Wait, what is this? Cannot set property as it does not exist. Huh. Cannot set. What? Oh, I got a message. What do you say? Oh. Yo. Ba-da-ba-dum. Is said as it does not exist. Enums. Okay. What? Is this it? So maybe not a redstone wire block, maybe a rod block? What about that? What about the apples? Can we give it its own properties? I don't know. Can we make it both a... I don't Oh. Can you extend two classes? Because if you can, that would be so nice. I want to look these things up, but at the same time, I want to figure it out too. So, okay, this should work, obviously, because there's a facing direction for rod blocks, but not for wire blocks, which makes sense, because they are placed on the ground. That obviously makes sense. So it went to the enum of the facing and or whatever it is for that. So we have a new block. His name is copper wire, and he has no texture. That's cool. See, I figured that would be incorrect. So what are you doing wrong, Brandon? Once again, what are you doing wrong? All right, so facing east, up, down. Okay, what am I doing wrong? I actually don't know this time. Well, the texture itself is actually not even... Okay, so let's go to... So there's the block. What about this guy? What am I missing here? What am I missing? Obviously the name got added, right? Iron and... What did I... Oh, here we go. Let's look in here. Where is the error saying... Okay. Unable to load copper wire. File not found. Let's see. Minecraft models block copper wire. Did I spell something wrong, my guy? What is going on? It's literally right there. Am I blind? I don't understand. Uh, am I... Oh, it's not an item, it's a block. What? Oh, wait. Oh, I'm missing the item. What? Oh, hold on. Well, that could be a problem too. So the dragon pet, the ether lever, is that an item? It is. Uh, we copy this. Call this copper wire, and we call this copper wire. Wire. There we go. All right, so there's that, and in the block. So ancient artifacts block. Am I doing this wrong? What am I missing? I don't think I'm missing anything. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe that was the problem. I don't think that something that small would be that big of an issue, but let's see. I'm sorry if whoever's watching this is like, oh, this is so boring. I'm sorry. I'm hard at work. Just kidding. Where? Okay, so that's that. Let's see if that fixes it. I'm trying to see if there's any other issues. It just doesn't find the model. That's so weird. Even though it's right there. Block state and the block are all there. Lightning rod and iron end. All right there. I don't understand. Northeast, southwest, up, down. Hmm. Let's see if that works. Please. Please work. Copper wire? No, you don't have a texture. You... What are you missing? What are you missing, dude? What am I doing wrong? Just says unable to load model. From facing north. Okay, something's wrong with my block states. Right? That's gotta be what it is. Something that are spelled wrong, or something is out of place. I mean, it's... Oh, let me see. Am I just forgetting something? And there's copper wire. Facing direction down. And then mob blocks. And then... Oh, I'm not seeing anything wrong. Maybe I'm crazy, but I don't see anything wrong. And then... no. It's not the issue. Ah. Alright, Dude, am I forgetting something? Am I spelling this wrong? Maybe... Okay. Let's do this. Let's spell this thing again. Copper wire. Alright, and then let's copy this. Paste, 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 paste. Oh, maybe it's... Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong. I'm so not very smart. I don't want to say the other word. Because that's not allowed on YouTube. Alright, there we go. I'm not very smart sometimes. I forget these things. I don't know. I'm just not very thinking. I'm like Minecraft copper wire. There's no Minecraft copper wire. Yoy. And then the actual block. Yes, that's correct. Yes. Okay, now we should be getting a party started, I think. Let's see now. See now. Okay. Alrighty. It's still not working. Whoa. Well, that's different. Oh, that needs to be fixed. Okay, so something's wrong with the item's not working, but the block is definitely working. It's smaller than I thought it would be. It's a little weird. I think I need to make it bigger and taller. Like, significantly bigger and taller. Alright, well, let's... What did I do wrong here? Okay, items. Item. There we go. Alright. Yeah, let's fix the model because that don't look right. It's too small, like a little bit. Compare it to the copper rod and all that. I don't know, man. I don't know. Something's a little off. It looks like a tiny dumbbell. All right. Oh no, why did I do that? Let's do this again. All right. Yeah. Now that I'm looking at it, yeah, that's wrong. All right. So why don't we? Here we go. Take this. Does that go right there? Yeah. Well, for now it does. Uh oh, there's Minecraft. Okay, hello Minecraft. Might have to remake these textures. I don't know. We'll see. I'm hoping not. Hoping that we can just fix. Why? Why? What am I doing wrong? I'm probably supposed to put an S instead of. Let me see. No, no, that's not a. It's a. Where is it? Switch point idle. Oh, oh. Okay, I see, I see, I see. Copper underscore wire. There we go. There we go. That's probably what I did wrong. I don't know, dude. I don't know. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Is that what I'm supposed to do? I didn't really make an item model thing. I don't know. There was no need for now. Just want it to be the most basic thing. Alright, let's just fix these things. Let's see. There we go. That's fixed. Alright, that just doesn't look right. And the voxel is by default fine. It's just the block itself. So a block in comparison is that tall. That is awfully small. So the rod itself is the same width. That I have no problem with. It's the... Hello, wolf. So cool. Anyway, I don't know if how I feel about it being all white like that. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Alright, let's fix this model. It don't look good. It looks goofy. Alright, let's see. So, yeah, let's make this bigger. Let's do... Oh boy. Oh boy, indeed. What are we doing? Oh god. Oh dear god. What is the size? Size is, oh gosh, it's all off. It's very much off. I don't know. Oh gosh, I'm screwing the whole thing up. Okay. Crap. No. Dude. That actually might work. I kid you not. That actually might work. It's just 2 times the size almost. So 3 versus 2. Well, it's actually, I take that back. So you just go up 1. And then you do go up 1. And then they did a day. And then I did up 1. Okay. And now take the rod. Do I need to move it up? I think I do. Yes. Right there. And then I move this guy up 1. Do I need to move? What happens if I move it up 1 more? I can move it down slightly. Like Let's see if it's barely touching. There we go. And then the position is 6, 3. The Y and the Z need to be, the X and the Z need to be the same. There we go. Not the best, but right, we're getting somewhere, I think. All right, how does that look? Well, I don't know how tall 16 is. This is 14, and it's ooh, they might be calling it close, but it might work. Let me see. Hmm. Hmm. You know? Oh, that might work. I like it. I think it looks pretty good. Looks better, I'd say. That's the start, right? So let's do this. We're gonna copy these guys here, and we're going to replace, yes, overwrite all. And then we're gonna go here to block, and we're going to up one, copy this, yes, overwrite, and then we're going to and then the other block I wanted to look at was no, not that. This block states. The other block I'll look at is this one. So I don't know what I just heard. The background. Fix that. I gotta fix this every time, don't I? Yep, I sure do. Starting to realize that now. Let's do, and let's call this 2. Let's do this and do texture with 2 replace all. There we go. Cool, that was pretty easy. All right, and then we'll just bam, 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 and then we'll just boom. There we go. I think that's it. Let's try that. Boom. I mean, this is, if we get this part done, this is step 1 done. Step 2 is to actually get the cornering. I mean, I would do all this work and then not be able to get it to work, but I just, oh my gosh. All right. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry if that bothers people. I know people, some people don't like it, some people don't care, but you could just unsubscribe. I mean, you're probably not subscribed anyway, but you can unsubscribe after subscribing. I give you permission if you don't like that. All right. Here we go. Wow. I need to fix that block image. And that is literally, problem with this is though, they, yeah, I need to fix that. But dude, otherwise it looks pretty dang good. I'm not gonna lie. Um, the rod could go a little in, like it's technically taller than a block, which we don't want. Well, actually, is it taller than a block? Hold on. Yes, it is. Okay. That's what I was worried about. Okay, so we don't want it to be... I mean, do we? I don't know. Actually, you know what? No, no, we don't. No, we don't. Do we? I don't know. Well, because the bottom is not... Okay. Yeah, no, that wouldn't make any sense. So, let's fix that. Quit. Block. Boom. I don't know. That's 1 pixel down. I think that is fine. Who is messaging me? What is going on? Sorry, I'm messaging. Get above. Um, there we go. I think. Is that even, dude? Is it? Is it? I don't think it is, dude. Hang on. I don't think it's even. I definitely don't think it's even. Hang on. Does it need to be moved over? Does it need to be... Okay, so let's look at this for a second. So that is even, right? This is not. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Oh wait, 3.4. Okay, that is even now. But now that it's not centered? Question mark? Yeah, it is. Okay, it's totally centered. Well, okay. We'll get there, guys. We'll get there. We'll get there. It is fine. It'll be okay. It'll bother me if it's not fine, but it is, ooh. There we go. Alright, that is better. That is not. Hang on. Why is that off kill? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on, Chief. Um Um, yeah, there we go. Let's save that. Let's do this again. Textures. Boom. All right, this should be the one now. I'm feeling good about this. All right. And with the corner, I think what we're gonna do is I don't know. We could do some things. We could figure some things out. We could do some things. Um, sorry. There we go. Overwrite those, and then the texture itself. Copy that. Oh wait, you know what? Oh, I don't know. Let's just do this. No, we kind of have to copy it. Okay. Okay. Yes, overwrite. Do this. Let's go. Come on, replace all. And then we do this, number 2. Then we do this. And then this. Boom. And then the last thing we do is think this. And then, boom. I think that's it. All right. And now, do dish. Boom. Yeah, we made it very simple, I think. I hope. I don't know. Display. Um, we're gonna have to change the way that it's built. That's fine. We're not worried about that right now. Tonight we are just making the first step of this, which is I haven't been able to work on them forever because I've been working on videos. It's like I either edit videos or live stream or I um all right, there we go. So cute. Sorry. Oh, I don't think it touches anymore. I mean, it touches, but it doesn't overlap. I think the voxel. Hang on, I can't get up. It fits like literally perfectly now, and now it's even too. So okay, yeah, we just gotta fix. I don't know. I kind of like that look, but we'll see. Uh, yeah, we have not it's a facing block, but the rod is for some reason. Hold on. Let's do one more thing. Copper wire. Uh, copper wire. Copper wire. Wire. No, not copper wire. Lightning rod. I'm calling them the same thing. I don't know why. Not that one. Uh, not that one. Uh, not that one either. Where is it? Where are you, you silly thing? Not that one either. What the heck? Lightning rod, lightning rod. I don't think it's that one either. Where's the block states one that I just had? Dude. There it is. So facing west versus facing east. East is 90. Hold on. Not that one. Dude, oh, okay, well, that's gone. Rid of that. Where are you? Here you are. Facing west should be... There we go. I really don't know if I think I may have changed many things. So, lightning rod east is that 90 west. North is 90. South is apparently there we go. And then up is that, down is gonna be, I don't know, down is 180 apparently. Okay. I don't know. I think that's correct. North. Wait, oh. North is that. East is west. Yeah, let's try that. What does that do? I have no idea. Like, it's not rotating the. I don't know, it's not rotating stuff the way I wanted it to, but let's see if this works. Because it can be facing up, down, left, and right, but yeah, maybe I did need that stuff. I don't know. We'll see. I want it to, like, change the model the way it looks like, but for some reason it's not doing that. Oh, it's still not doing it. I mean, it looks so cool, but it's not doing it right. So, like that is hold on. Let's see what F3 says. So, it says facing south, and this says facing down. It's always facing down. See, that's the problem. Okay, so oh, I see, I see, I see. Oh, we forgot to do an on placement. That's why. Okay, so where are you? Copper wire. There is the default on place. Not this. This is a bad example. Here it is. Copy this. We forgot to put that there. There we go. Get opposite. There we go. That's probably what we were missing. It's always defaulting it down because it's not getting the get placement state. That would make sense. And then if you... I don't know. We'll see what this does. See, the only problem is we try to connect it by extending it into the other block. That's going to be weird. But if you bend it like a rail block, how it turns, that would mean that they don't have to extend out of a block into another block. Basically, there we go! Oh, well now it's... What the heck? That's, interesting. What? Okay. What? Now it's only facing south. Facing west. Okay. What about up and down? Dude. West, east, south. This is facing up. It's not, okay. Okay, what am I doing wrong? What is going on? Why am I dying? Okay. Lightning rod block. Get placement state. Where is it? Get placement state. Alright, so it does facing get side. Oh, get side. Interesting. Let's try that. With facing... Try that. Interesting. Okay. So, get side. What does that do? I don't know. I don't know what that does. The default is down, which I think should be fine. Up or down doesn't matter. Just as long as it lets you do like the facing property properly. Properly. That's all I care about. Like that you can place it up, down, left, right, doesn't matter. There we go. There we go, it's working. Alright, so yeah, see that's the issue. So now when you place a block, if a block is see now if you here's the problem now. If you have two blocks, this would connect down this way. Even if you had if you had this, what would you prioritize? Okay, so now what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to take the block and make it go to the end. Because the problem now is if I do, let's just, interesting. That is very weird. Does this not reach the end of either pixel? It does not. Well, okay, so this almost does. Hang on. This basically does, but not really. Yes, it does. It should. Here's a 0. This does not. This needs to go. Are they even the same size? They are. Okay. So I just need to fix that. So let's fix that. Let's do this. So I can't tell. Let's make a new cube. Add cube. Let's make it size 16. 16 in the Y. Alright, and now that's how we do it right here. So now we do this. And then we do this. And now we do this. We make this 2.5 to make it a little more even. And then we just boop. There we go. Perfect. And then this. That looks beautiful. All right. Delete that block. And that should be it for that. All right. Boom. Reload. All right. So now, can we just copy it over? Because that would be so nice. I don't know if we can, but we'll see. Let's see if we're smart enough to do that. Random. All right. So figure out what the difference is in the numbers. These are the same. This is 16 now. That's 16. Yep, 9.7. That's the same. That's the same. That's the same. Texture 2 is probably not going to be. Oh, this is 13.5 now. Wow. Okay. You know, it's just easier to copy it over. It's just easier. It's way easier. Just do that. Just do that. All right. Copy these because you know I don't know if the texture is gonna fit properly either if I try to edit it manually. There we go. And then if we just boom, and then we just do this right here. Where is it? Block. Boom. Yep. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to do it like that. And then we just do that. Replace all. Yeah, there we go. Let's take this, make this 2. There we go. Boom. Boom. Blocks. Where is it? this. And do that. There we go. I think that's it. Alright. Show's over, folks. Let's do it. Yeah. Genuinely surprised I didn't get more people clicking on the video, but that's okay. No big deal. Not a problemo. Honestly, I'm just doing this because it's fun, and I haven't put out a live stream of it, so I want to start live stream more and more and more, so people will all right, there's that. Boom. All right, so there we go. That's literally it. That's the one. That looks so cool. Now, the trick is going to be actually making these connect, now that we have this. So, how do we do that? We could do different block variants, and then if a block, find out which way it's facing, connect it that way visually. Yeah, do the visual stuff first, and then we do the technical stuff. These are gonna be have power and a power level, and it's going to be just like I think, I don't know. I don't know, dude. I don't know. This is stuff I'm trying to figure out. So it's gonna have a power and powered, so I think this doesn't look bad. I mean, it actually looks better than the thing is, like, it just connects like that. I don't know. The joint kind of looks a little thick, but I think for now it's not bad, you know? It's aight. It's aight. I don't know. I might change the top and bottom textures, but for now I think this is a good start. And what time is it? It is probably 12. Yeah, it's 12. Oh boy. Alright. So, yeah, I've changed a few things in this mod for sure. Why, you ask? I don't know. But yeah, this is a huge update. Thank you guys again for 3,300 downloads. Almost 4,000 downloads on this mod, which is kind of mental, especially considering that I haven't even updated it to this new version yet. And when I do, it's going to be insane once I can get this working properly. So things I need to do next is do the connection of, I did the powered version. I have to do the connection variant. So up, down, left, right, and then also like, so a grid, like it should be able to connect like a grid kind of, but not just be a bunch of, well, I guess you could kind of make it like this. I don't know. So if you had this, here's a question. The end has to be facing for there to be a reason for it to connect. So like this would connect here and this would connect to the middle. So it only connects to the middle parts. Side parts don't connect. So north and south facing sides will connect to the east and west facing sides, or the up and down facing sides, basically. Right? And then, yeah, so you want one north or south to connect to one east, west, up or down, I guess, depending on which way's up and which way's down. Oh, that's tricky. All right, so that's what we got to figure out, is how to call which variant, how to make all these variants, how to make them look good. so that it actually, because the voxel will fit like a, we have to change the voxel somewhat. This voxel is fine for now because it fits perfectly to a rod. However, um, this is so cool. This is sick, dude. Copper wire, dude. Who would have ever thunk? A new use for copper, lightning rods, whatever you want to call it, and iron. So basically, the recipe I'm thinking of is, well, let's get a crafting table out, actually. Crafting table, so I can show you kind of, I mean, you kind of already could guess, but let's do ironing it. I think this will be the recipe. Basically, you take a rod and you just ingot, there we go. And so basically, you'll take a rod here, and I think you'll do that, and that will give you copper wire. Yeah, I can make the recipe honestly right now. You know what? Let's do it. Let's make the recipe. So before we get off, honestly, I think that would be a good idea. So let's do that. Lightning rod. Where's the recipe? Here we go. Perfect. So recipe is already here, kind of. Now, instead of, we need to find our recipes. Data, ancient artifact, recipes. Here we go. So here's the end staff recipe. No. So let's do this. Deliver. Let's call it copper wire. There we go. And now let's get rid of this. So this is gonna be like this. So type Minecraft 8 pattern. Let's do iron rod iron. Key is that iron will be item Minecraft. I think that's it, isn't it? Found it. Iron ingot. Yeah, that's it. Ironing it, and then R would be lightning rod. Where is it? There it is. Lightning rod. And then we get rid of this guy right here. And then the result will be copper wire. Nice. And this will be a yes, that's it. Yeah. So I think that is a copper. That's how you do it, right there. Let's try that. Maybe. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know if that's it. I don't know if that's all you gotta do. Maybe. That might be all you have to do. Cool. That would be actually kind of sick if I just made that in 2 seconds. Alright. Let's see. Man, we've been going for a bit. A hot minute here. So this should be how you make copper wire. Hopefully. See if we did that in one go. Alright, let's see if it lets you make it now. We're gonna have to change the item icon. I don't think it looks good. But hey, there's where is the crafting table? Here it is. Boom. That's not a crafting table. That's a crafting table. So you do boom, you do boom, boom. Hey! That's so cool. I just did that in 2 seconds. And now the last thing I want to do is, let's do this. Before we get off, the last thing I want to do is make sure, let's do this. So I would say, oh God, what is going on here? Okay. So scale, let's do like 0.7. 75. There we go. 0.75, and then 0.75. And then this will be 0.75. There we go. And then we just boop. There we go. And then we just move this up just a tad. I think right there, and then down a little bit. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. And now for the other hand, why was third person right scaled down? Let's do this. Yeah. So 5. And then let's copy these for yeah, I think we can literally just copy these. Yep. Boom, boom. And then first person, let's scale it down to, and then we just copy this. That looks good. And then we rotate it down a little to the right. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Yeah, there we go. And then this, we just copy this here. And then we just do this 0.75. And then we just copy, copy, copy. And then if this, copy this. Maybe the other way around. Oh, just put a negative sign there, maybe? Yeah, that might be a little too much, but anyway, let's figure that out. Negative, and then this is, let's see. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'd say that's pretty on spot. Yeah, I don't know. So then, yeah, we don't care about that. Ground, we do care about. Let's make it all 0.75. Boom. Let's rotate it a little bit. Oh, that was weird. That's pretty good. And then the item frame is gonna be a little smaller. That looks pretty good. And then yeah, that looks good. And then GUID. And then we just copy that, copy, copy. And now we just rotate it a little bit like this, maybe. Actually, you know what? Let's do like rotate the Z like what, 90? There we go. Cool. And then like 0 there. I don't know. And then let's do this so I can see better. That's not what I clicked on. I don't know. I'm just kind of messing around. I'm trying to make it seem Minecrafty without seeming basic. There we go. There we go. Boom. Good. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. That's as best they can get. Alright, let's save that. And let's see what's actually different this time. Because I don't think it's going to change too much. Just going to add these display things, which we should just be able to copy over. Here we go. So, because I didn't change anything else. So, let's do this. Display section is going to be completely copied and replaced. There we go. Let's try that. Hopefully. Alright. I know music would be better in this live stream, but you know, it's okay. So, yeah, I think you guys get the point though. I mean, I'm just kind of, I've done a few of these live streams before, but that looks pretty good in my hand. I mean, I know it's rotated that way, but yeah. Oh, let's do the 5 sticking out of the hand a little bit, but let's fix that. Alright, let's do display. Why it's not sticking out here? Okay, whatever. I'll just. There we go. 0. Oh, you hear my dog in the microphone. Oh, Charlie, what are you doing? What are you doing? I don't understand. Alright. There we go. What are you doing, Charlie? I don't understand what you're doing. Oh, there we go. Yeah, let's just recopy it over because I don't know what changed. So, copy. Paste. Alright. Let's try this again. Bop. Hey, Charlie, what you doing? What you doing? Alright. That should be good. I think at this point now, I'll probably stop. But, you know, once I confirm that this is looking good. And I'll probably work on it tomorrow after work at some point. We'll see, though. We'll see. I don't think I'll live stream it, though. But this is a good start. I didn't think it would be this difficult to do, but it is every time I try to do this. So, you know, sooner or later this mod will be done. And yeah, now you guys can see why it takes so long to update these things. Because it's like, okay, got to decide this and this and this. And actually, it looks really good. And it looks like a barbell. It looks like a dumbbell. Even though that's not what it is. It's wire. Yeah, that looks good. And then in the offhand, yeah, centered now. I don't know why I didn't have it centered before, but yeah, there it is. Centered. And now it places properly. So right now that does nothing. It actually emits light, I'm noticing too. That's something else I want it to do. So I want it to emit light. I don't know what feature does that, but yeah, that's gonna be cool. I want it to emit particles too. That would be kind of sick. I don't know. It's very interesting. Very interesting indeed. All right, I'll have to look into the code more. That's it. That's it for now. That's our copper wire. What I was gonna say was there is no other new blocks necessarily, but I've made that purple. I've done a few other things with the mod itself, kind of more with the functionality, and there's a few other bug fixes I want to do too. Maybe. I don't know. There were other things I wanted to add in this update, but I think the copper wire thing is going to take the place of that, honestly, for now. Until I have more time to figure out how to do the things I couldn't do. Because it's just very difficult sometimes to code in this. You know, Minecraft seems to be very limited. But yeah, that will be it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all later. Peace.